Good morning, students. In previous class, we saw second story of this lesson. In this story, there was courtier. All courtier are praised King Akbar. They said, "You are a great king. You, you are the greatest of the people in heaven or earth. You are a great as God mighty. You are greater than the God mighty." The Akbar, no, they all are said false statement. So Akbar said, "All right, then prove it to me. What I am do, but God mighty will not be able to do," said Akbar, King Akbar. So all courtier had question mark how to prove it. So they went to the Birbal and they explain what happened in the morning. Okay, now the great Birbal said, in the next morning, court was full with courtier. Okay, now Birbal proof that what he proved? He proved the King Akbar is greater than the King Akbar is greater, and the King Akbar can do, but God Almighty cannot. Okay, then what happened next from this? Okay, Akbar look at Birbal thoughtfully, and what is that one thing? Okay, Akbar look and ask, what is that one thing that I can do, but God can't? When you want to punish someone, you can banish that person. Banish means order man to leave a place, order man to leave this kingdom. Okay, you can throw him out of your kingdom, but God's kingdom extends everywhere. The Almighty cannot banish anyone from his kingdom. Understood, students? Birbal explained. Birbal said to Akbar, if you want to punish someone, what do? You can banish that person. You order to leave his kingdom, but God can't do it because God's kingdom is everywhere. So what happened? Akbar's face was lit up with a smile. That was very clever, Birbal. Akbar said, that was very clever. You are so smart, while showing how I have an advantage. You have also shown that God is greater. I believe you. Yes, you show that I can do, but can't God. But can't God. And you also prove God is greater than me, and I believe you. Okay, Akbar was so pleased with the answer that he forgave the courtier for their stupidity. Okay, then Akbar said, it means Akbar just in this story we learn this thing. What we learn this? We learn, don't give any false statement to anyone. You should never be a liar. We always be a truthful person, honest person, because that person are always respected to everyone. Okay, you understood? It means understood, students. You already wrote meaning of these words of this lesson, and I will send you question answer. Okay, thank you.